Welcome to Cooking Americana, great meals on a budget. Today's meal is spaghetti with meat sauce. This is what you will need, and there is a link to a printable recipe in the video description. Total cost for the entire meal for 5 to 7, $13. Start out with your pork and your ground beef and onions and cook them down until they're nice and brown. Then we're going to drain the oil and set the pot right back on the heat. Now add some oil to that empty pot. Now please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It'll help me out. It's fast and it's free. We're going to add our seasonings. We're going to bloom our seasonings in that oil. So we've got the Italian seasoning. I'm adding a bit more oregano and some fennel. And we're going to cook it until it's really nice and fragrant. We don't want to burn it, but we do want to really smell it and bring out those wonderful oils. Return the meat and onions to the pot and stir that wonderful seasoning right back into that meat. Now we're adding the tomatoes. These are petite diced tomatoes. Save that big old can. We're going to need it later. We're using tomato paste. We're going to add that to the pot. Stir all that in and get it all nice and combined. Remember that big old can that we saved? Well, we're fixing to use it. Fill it with water and add that water to the pot. Now you can add as much or as little as you like, but we're going to cook this for a long time, so you want a good amount of water so that it can absorb and it can evaporate. Go ahead and salt, pepper. Use your hot pepper flakes if you want to use them. Taste this to see if you've got the flavors you want. If not, go ahead and add any more seasonings that you want to add. And make this your own. Don't follow this exactly. If you have something that you really like, add it to it. Bring it to a boil. We're going to cook this for somewhere between 8 to 12 hours. Go back to it, check it out, add water if needed. Stir it occasionally. Serve spaghetti up in a bowl. Twist it, make it look pretty like that. Top it with the sauce. And we're going to get out this fancy Parmigiano Reggiano. Now, you can get it out of a green can if you want to, but I decided to be a little fancy today. And we're going to make it snow, make it look like Mount Shasta in the wintertime. Or not. Depends on how much cheese you like. I topped it with a little bit of chopped parsley, and that was it. There you have it, spaghetti with meat sauce. This is my husband's family's Italian meat sauce straight from Sicily. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for this wonderful Italian meat sauce for your spaghetti. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Help me get my recipes out to the entire world. And as always, y'all have a blessed day.